I've wanted to be a dentist since I was a little girl. Coming from a Nigerian American background, it's always planted in our heads to be some type of doctor. Along my journey, I just always had that in my mind. And in high school, University of Michigan, they came and did on-site admissions, and they told me that I could actually start my track in dentistry in undergraduate. I majored in dental hygiene, and I got my bachelor's of science in dental hygiene from the University of Michigan. That made me more comfortable with starting my path as an actual dentist. When I was growing up, I had to get a lot of dental work done, and I had a dentist. She was a very kind woman. Her name was Dr. Benet Dabney, a Black female dentist, and she took really good care of me. She did a lot of dental work, and I realized when I got into dental school that she did really good dentistry on me. So that made me understand the importance of actually doing good work because your work follows you. And also just coming from the city of Detroit, a city that there's sometimes we don't have access to certain healthcare. And when I first became a dentist, I didn't see a lot of nice offices, new up-to-date offices in the city of Detroit. And so I thought that we needed that. People used to say that they would travel outside of Detroit for nice offices or good dentistry. My goal was to bring that right here to the city. I just felt like Detroit needed me. I care about my patients, I love those around me, and I'm very happy to be practicing dentistry in my city and most importantly in my neighborhood. I enjoy being a family dentist. I enjoy watching my kids grow up. I love hearing about the stories of graduations, seeing my children grow up, seeing marriages, and all those good things. So I feel that here we're a very family-oriented practice. I think what sets us apart is the level of patient care. At Diamond Smiles Dentistry, we really feel that our patients are not patients, but family. What we do differently is we want to be all-inclusive. It's important that we're able to satisfy most of our patients' needs. We don't like to have to send our patients out for other procedures. So we have a lot of specialists in-house that can service our patients' needs. For instance, there was a time when we started seeing more and more children that needed more challenging procedures. Dr. Brown was very happy. She's a pediatric dentist, Dr. Camille Brown, one of my University of Michigan classmates. Well, I'm actually a year above her, but she went to University of Michigan with me, and she was very happy to come on board. We also have had a couple of surgeons here, more specifically periodontists, Dr. Debbie Lee, and currently right now, Dr. Ebony Jordan. And also now we have Dr. Catrise Austin. She is the best veneer specialist in the world, and she's right here in the city of Detroit. Most people expect not to be heard, not to be seen. And one of the things that we do when we first meet a patient is, the first thing I ask all patients is, what is it can I do for you? We don't like to assume anything, and service is our priority here. So we want to know how best we can service our patients. So going to the dentist can be scary for many people. So we have a lot of things in place. A lot of anxious people, I like to know, why are you anxious? Some people have had bad experiences, and some people have felt a lot of pain. So one of the things that we employ is just, I would say, just listening and just to find out what the patient is apprehensive about. Secondly, we have good old laughing gas so that people can feel more relaxed, and sometimes we can employ more further sedations. Sometimes when you do things without the guidance of a dentist, you actually, most of the time, you do more harm than good. You can end up with poor aesthetics at the least, but oftentimes pain, infection, and unfortunately tooth loss. The best thing is to come to the dentist so we can work with you. When patients leave our practice, we hope that they return. We want them to feel loved, heard, and seen. And most importantly, we want them to be excited to tell their loved ones about us so that we can care for them as well. If you want to have that Diamond Smiles experience, you can look us up. We're diamondsmilesdentistry.com, We're Diamond Smiles Dentistry on Facebook and Instagram. Our phone number is 313-422-1282. 313-422-1282. We are located on Gratiot Avenue. Our address is 6455 Gratiot Avenue. We are on Gratiot in between Forest and Mount Elliott. The big white building.